Hello students. So today we are going to learn about quadratic forms, okay, which is a topic in matrix algebra. So quadratic form means whatever the quadratic form is given, you have to write it in terms of matrix, or matrix can be converted into a quadratic form. Okay. So what is a quadratic form? A homogeneous expression of the second degree in any number of variables is called a quadratic form. Okay. So if we are given a matrix A in this form 3 by 3. So you have to take x and x dash. Okay, this is a column matrix, this is a row matrix. And then the multiplication will give you the quadratic form. Okay, so if you are given quadratic form, how to write the matrix? So matrix is given by, first you have to write the coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square and coefficient of z square. That is, those are the diagonal elements. Okay, then you have to go for xy. So you have to divide the coefficient of xy by 2, so you'll get the h. Okay, same thing you have to do here. Okay, this is for xy, then for yz, and then for zx. Okay, you have to divide the coefficient by 2, so you'll get back the A matrix. Okay, let's see one example. Okay, so here one example is given. Okay, first you rearrange the terms. So x square plus, I'll write 2y square plus 3z square. Okay, now here xy terms, two xy terms are there, so I'll add them, so it will be 4xy. Okay, then xz also two terms are there, so this is 6xz. Okay, then yz also two terms are there, so this is 10 by 2 yz. Okay, now we'll convert it to, this is 5yz. Okay, matrix form. So first thing you have to write, coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of y square is 2, coefficient of z square is 3. Okay, now go for coefficient of xy, and you have to divide by 2. So those two terms come here. So 4 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. Okay, then you have to write yz or xz. Okay, xz is here and here. Okay, divide by 2, so it is 3, 3. Again here yz, divide by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2. So this is our matrix. Okay, so quadratic form is converted to matrix form. Okay. Now, if you want to convert this matrix to a quadratic form, okay, then first you have to multiply, that is you have to use this. Okay, x dash a x. So x dash a x will be, okay, so first you multiply by row matrix. Okay, so this is, order is 1 into 3 and this order is 3 by 3. Okay, so the resulting matrix will be of the order 1 by 3, correct? So this will be our 1x plus 2y plus 3z, row into column you have to do. Then row into column again, 2x plus 2y plus 5 by 2 z, then 3x plus 5 by 2y plus 3z. Okay, then you have to multiply this matrix by the column matrix. Okay, so this is 1 into 3, 1 by 3, and this is 3 by 1. Yeah, 3 by 1. So you'll get a 1 by 1, that is you'll get it in the quadratic form. Okay, So this is this into this here. So multiply by x. So 1x square plus 2yx plus 3zx plus 2xy plus 2y square plus 5 by 2 z square. 2zy plus 3x square z xz 5 by 2 yz plus 3z square. Okay, so this is what the equation was. Okay, quadratic. Okay. Let's solve this. So here the variables are given in terms of x1, x2, x3 and x4. So four variables are there, right? So our matrix, first you have to write the diagonal elements. So x1 square coefficient is 1. For this it is minus 2. For this it is 4. For this it is minus 4. Okay. So now when you have matrix in general form, this is 4 by 4 matrix, right? So in general form, how we write? So A11, A12, A13, A14, and here it is A21, A22, A31 and A41. Okay. So now this is 1, 2. So this element is this. Okay. 1, 2 and 2, 1. Both are same. Divide by 2 you have to do. So it is minus 1, minus 1. Okay. So this is done. 1, 4. 1, 4 means this element and this element. Okay. So divide by 2. Last element. So 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. Okay. For this 2, 3. So A 2, 2, A 2, 3. 2, 3. So 4 divided by 2. So 2 and 3, 2. Okay. Then minus 5, x3, x4. So this is 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay. So 3, 4 and 4, 3. This element is same. So minus 5 by 2. Okay. And remaining are not given. So they are 0. This is the matrix. Okay.